doing, guys? Alright, today what I'm going to be doing is replacing the seal on the top for my Eurovan Camper. Over the years it's gotten dried out and cracked and stiff and brittle, and it doesn't want to hang on there anymore. You lift the top up and it's sagging off the side of it, so we're going to get rid of that and get a new one on there. So I ordered this new seal. I'll put a link to what I got and where I got it. Now, one of the things you got to watch for when you're getting these, you can buy them cheaper, but you're going to get what you pay for. So they'll have the channel, which grips onto the top, and then you have this piece here. But some of them, it's basically just like a piece of tube that they glue onto this piece, and they can very easily peel apart. You don't want that style because that's not going to last. This one here is actually molded as one piece. You can see it's all solid on there. So this is the kind that you want to get. Don't waste your time and money with the other ones because you're going to be replacing it twice. Alright, so we're going to get the old one off, we're going to get it cleaned up, and then we'll get this installed. I'll show you how we're going to do that. So it just falls right off of there. It's not even gripping anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and we'll go ahead and get the new one installed on there. Okay, so once you have the lip all cleaned, I used a scouring pad with some simple green, cleaned it all up. Now we're going to take the new seal, and it's going to go on this way so that the part that sticks out is going to go to the inside. So we're going to start in the middle and then work our way around. Alright, so you're going to keep slowly feeding it into the channel. I just got these clamps on the corners to hold it there for now so it doesn't come falling off. There is a wire there for my solar panel that I had to go under. So I'm just going to feed it around the rest of the way here. Butt it up in the front and put a little silicone where it meets up. Alright, so once you get it wrapped all the way around, in the middle here you're going to see there's going to be an overhang. There's going to be a little bit of extra, so you're going to have to trim this right here so that it butts up, and then you're going to put a little bit of silicone in there just to seal it. Okay, so we got that cut and butted up together. We're going to let that silicone cure for a little bit, and then once that's dry, we'll drop the top down and let the weight of the top sit on the seal, and that'll help push that seal up in there and keep it secure. So, alright guys, so that's about what's involved in it. Just peel off the old one, cleaned it up real good, just press fit the new one on there, and seal up in the front where they meet, and that's about it. So I'm going to wrap this one up for now. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll just lower it down after it's all dry. Alright guys, if you liked the video, hope that helps you. Give a thumbs up, a share, a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.